It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 22nd of January. I'm James Spann. Cold, wet weather for Alabama. Maybe a snowflake or two early Saturday morning as the weekend begins, but the impact looking very low, probably insignificant. Let's go in there and take a look at things. First off, Skycam shots. This is coming from Tuscaloosa. Cloudy day there. A little light rain already falling in parts of West Alabama. Down south, that's a Skycam at Selma, overlooking the Alabama River and the Edmund Pettus Bridge. Undulatus clouds, wave clouds over Alabama today in advance of that rain that was taken near Weaver. There's a big picture. The big storm is moving into Texas, aloft, very well-defined wave there. A lot of rain in advance of that. And again, already, we've got rain in parts of Alabama. That was the radar at 2:38. In fact, pretty good rain falling in places like Vernon, Kennedy, Fayette, around Wyndham Springs and Oakman. That rain will expand on to the east, and everybody gets wet tonight and tomorrow. And indeed, temperatures are cooler today as expected. Only in the 40s up north, Birmingham at 52. We'll be in the 40s all day tomorrow with clouds and occasional rain. On the watch warning map, still some winter storm warnings well to the west of the state. Winter weather advisories posted for parts of the mountains of Virginia and North Carolina. But no problems around here. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday evening of next week. The bigger numbers near the Gulf Coast, and this is with our storm tonight and tomorrow. Places like Mobile, Gulf Shores, they could wind up with 2 inches. The amounts up this way closer to 1 inch. And again, for the snow fans, this is the chance of accumulating snow greater than 1 inch between 6 a.m. tomorrow and 6 a.m. Saturday Central Time. And it could be a little bit on the grass up in Tennessee and Kentucky, probably not a lot. And again, a few snowflakes into North Alabama, yes, early Saturday morning in the pre-dawn hours, but any issues with that should be insignificant, we think. Let's take a look at the GFS. The 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon at 500 millibars. Strong wave approaching from the west. Excellent dynamic support. In response to the upper wave, we have a surface low that is south of Fort Walton Beach, 1,012 millibars. And what you see is what you get. It's going to rain on us tomorrow. No thunder, no lightning, no severe weather, no flooding. Just a cold, rainy day. Now, Saturday, 6 a.m. And this is when things will be moving out with precipitation. But as it tapers off, yes, there could be some snow over North Alabama. The GFS is suggesting that. Makes sense with the expected thermal profiles. Temperatures in our part of the state should be above freezing. No problems here. And even up in the Tennessee Valley, the roads will be just wet. Could there be a slick spot on a bridge somewhere near the Tennessee border? Yes, but again, widespread problems certainly not expected with this. And then at midday Saturday, all of that is gone. The sky should become partly sunny by Saturday afternoon as dry air works in. And the high will likely be in the upper 40s on Saturday. This is the look at the accumulated snow noon Saturday. And most of it is over Tennessee and Kentucky. And even up there, you can see most of the amounts under 1 inch. And the GFS printing, 2/10 of an inch in parts of the Tennessee Valley. But that would be mostly on grass if that happens at all. And the NAM, pretty much the same thing. Just a spot or two up in the Tennessee Valley. Could see a bit of snow in the grass, and that's about it. So, again, clearly there's a chance we'll see some snowflakes over North Alabama between about 3 a.m. and 7 a.m. Saturday, but impact should be insignificant. Sunday looks pretty good. The sky should be sunny. The high in the upper 50s. That'll feel pretty good. Monday, the Clipper well to the northeast of the state. The models have been shifting that thing away from here, so we've dropped any chance of rain on Monday. The surface low is over Pennsylvania. The sky partly sunny. We stay in the 50s. This is Tuesday. The air may be a tad cooler, low to mid-50s, but still a pretty decent day. This is Wednesday of next week. Big trough off the East Coast, ridging over the central U.S. And again, that looks cool and dry. Temperatures exactly where they ought to be. We'll start the day around freezing, the high in the low to mid-50s. And Thursday of next week, same deal. 30s during the morning, 50s during the day, no chance of rain. We'll jump to the end of the forecast period, the 1st of February. This is a Sunday. And again, kind of a split flow. Got the northern branch delivering some cold air, the southern branch with a big system west of El Paso. And as you know, that pattern could lead to some mischief. And understand, let me just say up front, this is, 10 days away. There is no skill. Anybody posting this on the web and saying the Deep South's going to have a big snow, it's just absolute voodoo. We show you this on these videos because we've been doing these videos for over 10 years, and you understand the limitations out here. We're looking for trends. But again, you can see if by chance this is correct, that could be a pretty good snow for Tennessee and Arkansas. But I guarantee you this will change in a day or two. No need to get worked up about that. Temperatures coming off the ensembles. I think if you average all those numbers out, it's about close to average for this time of the year. Highs in the 40s and 50s, lows 20s and 30s. We do note the Arctic Oscillation toward the end of the period, the 1st of February, tries to go negative, and the NAO, about neutral territory. We'll keep an eye on those trends in coming days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.